Hey there, welcome to the cool world of network engineering. Ever wonder how the internet works? Well, it's all thanks to network engineers. There are like the tech wizard who make sure everything online runs smoothly. So what do these network engineers do? Basically, they set up and manage all the tech stuff that lets us do things like video calls, streaming and browsing the web. Whether it's setting up Wi-Fi at your favorite hangout spot or keeping big company internet run smoothly, network engineers are the one making it happen. But being a network engineer is not just about knowing your tech stuff. It's all about being creativity, solving problems, and being ready for everything. In a world where technology is always changing, network engineers have to stay on their toes and be ready to fix any issues that come up. To become network engineer, you need to know your tech stuff. That means understanding computers, math, and all things tech. Getting a degree in a computer engineer or something similar is a good start, and getting certified in things like Cisco or cybersecurity can help show you know your stuff. But it's not just about knowing your tech stuff. Communication is a super important too. Whether it's explaining a tricky concept to your boss or working with your team to fix a problem, being able to talk tech with non-tech people is key. So what's a day in the life of network engineer like? Well, it's a fix of planning, problem solving and working with your team. From setting up new networks to figure out why the Wi-Fi is not working. Every day is different and exciting. But being a network engineer is not always easy. With new technology comes new challenges like cyber threats and slow internet speeds. But for network engineers, every challenge is just another chance to show off their skills and find a solution. And there is never been a better time to be a network engineer with everything going digital. The demand for network engineers is higher than ever. Whether you are into cybersecurity, cloud computing, or just love playing with tech, there is a place for you in the world of network engineering. So get ready for awesome adventure through the world of network engineering. From learning it all works to keeping up with the latest tech trends, there is always something new and exciting to discover.